Today's lesson is exterior angle theorem. Exterior angle theorem says the exterior angle equals the sum of the two opposite or remote interior angles. Okay, so write down that definition. This is what you're going to do on every single problem right there. So the exterior angle is the angle if I extend any one of the sides of the triangle. So you see they extended, in this case, TR. This is called the exterior angle. The exterior angle, that angle equals the sum of the two remote or opposite interior angles. So 25 plus 80, it's a plus sign right there. Okay, so you have to know the two vocab words for these two angles. You call them the two opposite interior angles or the two remote interior angles. You gotta know both of them. Okay, and I'll ask during class throughout the year, what's the other word for opposite interior? And somebody raise their hand and gives me the answer of remote, extra credit point, or vice versa. What's the other word for remote interior angles? You'd say opposite interior. Okay, so that's all I'm doing on every single one of these problems. So this one right here had the X, the question mark, where this angle was right here. Okay, and so what I'm showing here is I'm showing you, even if you forgot on this top part here, I'm showing you that if you forgot the exterior angle theorem on the DCAS, for example, I can still get it by using linear pairs. So I know that these two form a linear pair. So 180 minus 105. Wait a second. Is this the X or is this was the X right here, right? That you're finding right here. So I can get this one right here, the 75 for the triangle sum theorem. 25 plus 80 plus what equals 180 for the triangle sum theorem? 75 degrees. So that makes that 75, and this is a linear pair. 180 minus 75 is 105. Okay, I can get that one. But this is what we're trying to do, the exterior angle theorem itself. So that's just another way to do it. But exterior angle theorem just says to get this angle, I just add these two angles together, 80 plus 25, and I'm done. So this is what we want you doing on every problem. Even though I can, quote, do it a different way by doing linear pairs and all this kind of stuff and triangle sum theorem, we want you to practice the exterior angle theorem. Just add the two remote interior angles, set equal to the exterior angle, and solve each time. That's what you're doing every single problem here. It doesn't change. Okay, so if we go down to here, the first one that has algebraic expressions involved. Here obviously is my exterior angle, and here's my two remote interior angles or opposite interior angles. So I have the exterior angle, 6x plus 8 equals the sum of the two remote interior angles, 30 plus 4x plus 2. Okay, subtract the 4x across, I get 2x. Here I have 32, subtract the 8 across is 24. Divide each side by 2 and you get x equals 12. Okay, so a little pre-algebra involved there. But it's the exact same steps on every one of these problems, both sides of the page. Exterior angle equals the sum of the two opposite interior angles. Okay, so now we'll go to one more example on the back page. All right, number 15 here. Okay, so on this one, it says find the measure of angle X. So we're not done. Once you find X itself, I mean, we need to find the measure of angle S, if I said X. Okay, so again, exterior angle, 140 equals the sum of the two remote interior angles. Just add those two together. So 140 equals the 3x plus 4 plus the 8x plus 4. Combine like terms, 11x plus 8. Subtract the 8 across, 132, divide by 11 on both sides, x equals 12. But go back and read the question. Always make sure you go back and read the question. It's not just asking for X this time. It's asking for the measure of angle S. So I need to now plug that 12 in angle S. Here's angle S, which is the 3X plus 4. So 3 times the 12 plus 4. 36 plus 4 is 40. So the measure of angle S is 40. Same steps every time. Exterior angle equals the sum of the two remote interior angles. Every single problem on both sides. Any question on that? Okay.